Holiday mental breakdown unlocked. Remember when stress meant rewinding a VHS with a pencil? Yeah, now it's group chats, kids, aging parents, and a New Year's resolution spreadsheet judging us from the cloud. Today, I'm letting AI be my therapist and my health coach, Gen X style. Heavy on sarcasm, light on toxic positivity. And stick around, because at the end, I'm dropping a hint about my new 3-tier New Year program, so you can actually protect your mental health in 2026, not just meme about it. Okay, scene 1. Your therapist's out of office says, "See you next year," and it's December 27th. Your family is still in your house. The Christmas tree is now a fire hazard. Your inner 90s kid wants to disappear into a Walkman playlist. So I open ChatGPT and type, "Write a guided meditation for when my mom asks why I'm still single." Again, in front of everyone. AI comes back with, "Breathe in confidence. Breathe out generational expectations." And I'm like, cool, but do you have a mute button for my uncle too? Then I try, "Give me 3 affirmations for surviving my boomer uncle's political monologue at dinner." Suddenly I've got lines like, "I am not required to attend every argument I'm invited to." Honestly, that's going on a t-shirt. Here's the point. You're allowed to use AI as a tool to script your boundaries, your responses, and even your exit strategies. You're not weak for needing help to find the words. That's called emotional delegation. Very on brand for a burnt-out Gen Xer. If you want more AI prompts like this to keep your mental health semi-intact through the chaos, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because I drop new, free mental health and lifestyle prompts every week. Next up, New Year's New Me energy, which, let's be honest, for Gen X usually means, I would like my back to stop making that noise when I stand up. So I tell AI, create a realistic, healthy morning routine for a Gen Xer who refuses to wake up at 5 a.m. It gives me, wake at 7:30, drink water before coffee, 5-minute stretch so your spine doesn't file a complaint, and a 10-minute walk so your brain stops buffering. Honestly, that's doable. Then I go further. Plan a weekly meal prep for someone who hates cooking but also hates feeling like a raccoon eating over the sink at 11 p.m. Now I've got simple, realistic options instead of a perfect wellness routine that assumes I'm an influencer with a private chef and a ring light budget. Here's how you can use this yourself. Ask AI for lazy-friendly health routines. Short walks, stretch breaks between Zoom calls, realistic meals. Use it to draft scripts you can copy-paste into your actual life. Grocery lists, workout mini plans, even reminders to, log off. If you're into mental health, healthy lifestyle, and AI doing 30% of the emotional labor for you, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next batch of prompts. And if you're already thinking, okay, this is funny, but I actually want a system, not just vibes, listen up. I've got a brand new 3-tier program dropping in the new year that blends AI prompts, realistic healthy habits, and mental health-friendly routines made specifically for our generation. People who grew up without Wi-Fi and now need it to function. This program contains a free and paid version. They will be fully functioning prompts you can plug and play. I will also assist in creating personalized prompts in the top tier that is catered to your business, your brand, or your personal well-being. Tiered support. From DIY prompts all the way up to a guided experience, so you can reduce everyday anxiety without pretending life isn't messy. Build sustainable routines that survive meetings, emails, kids, and late-night doom-scrollapooza. Use AI as your assistant, not your overlord. If you want early access, bonuses, and a ton of free prompts before it launches, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Drop a comment with Gen X Reset so you get on my radar. This channel is all about mental health, healthy lifestyle, business and brand prompts, and AI tools that actually fit a hectic, real-world life, not the Pinterest version. So subscribe, stick around, and let's make the new year less "I'm not okay, LOL," and more "I've got tools, boundaries, and a slightly better sleep schedule."